In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla door handle not opening, being hard to close, or not working from the outside in your Model X or Model S. If you're experiencing problems with the door handles, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Start by ensuring your Tesla is unlocked. Check that the vehicle is powered on and that you've pressed the unlock button on your key fob, mobile app, or touchscreen. If the car is locked, the exterior door handles won't extend or function properly. For Model S and Model X, the retractable handles rely on sensors and motors, so ensure there's no dirt, debris, or ice obstructing the handle mechanism. Clean the area around the handles carefully using a soft cloth or brush. If the handles still won't extend or open the door, try resetting the car's systems. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, attempt to unlock and open the door again. For situations where the door handle feels stiff or hard to close, lubricate the mechanism with a silicone-based lubricant. Avoid using oil-based lubricants as they can attract dirt and damage the system. Ensure the handle retracts smoothly after use. If it doesn't, there may be an alignment issue. If the door still won't open from the outside but opens from the inside, there may be a problem with the exterior handle sensor or motor. Use the manual release method if necessary. For Model S, push or wiggle the handle gently while pressing the unlock button to help release it. For Model X, inspect the Falcon Wing door's sensors and ensure nothing is obstructing the hinges or latches. Finally, if none of these steps work, there may be an electrical or mechanical issue with the door handle system. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla door handle not opening issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.